Hello, today we're going to be working on Physics Week 1 Fading Colors art project for S.T.E.A.M on the bookshelf. We don't have many supplies, so this should be very easy. All we need is a white piece of paper, which is given, a pack of crayons, and that's it. You're going to be using your crayons and draw the most beautiful, colorful drawing you can think of. Anything. Just make sure it's bright and enough crayons are used. And then once you have your drawing, mine turned out like this, you're going to fold it over this line that is shown with a dotted mark to show only half the paper. You then will leave it in the sun and check back on how faded those colors are, and then relay your information found to your piece of paper given. Thank you.